Before I start this weight loss video, I would highly appreciate if you check the first link in the description. Thank you. Let's start. You've resolved that 2020 is your year, you're losing weight and learning how to keep it off. Maybe you're done battling the extra 25 pounds that stuck around after having kids. Or you don't like what your nightly Netflix and ice cream habit has done to your waistline. And you know climbing the stairs with a basket of laundry shouldn't leave you breathless. Whatever fuels your commitment, you can make 2020 the year you shed extra weight and poor eating habits. Here is a 4-step guide to losing weight without dieting. 1. Know your why? Ask yourself why you want to lose weight. You may say, to hit a certain number on the scale or to look better in a bathing suit. Keep asking why your reason is important until you drill down to your real motivation. That's where you'll uncover your key to long-term weight loss. Wanting to enjoy, not dread, family beach vacations, or be healthy enough to see grandkids grow up can help keep you on track when your motivation lags. 2. Think lifestyle, not diet. Most diets work, if you stick to them. It's the sticking to them that makes it tough to keep weight off. Diets that promise quick weight loss usually involve strict eating rules or eliminating whole food groups. Hit your goal weight, return to normal eating and watch weight return. Changing your eating habits to support a healthy lifestyle will deliver the weight loss you want and can maintain. Along the way, you're taking responsibility for your health, doing your part to keep your body going strong for as long as possible. 3. Log your food. Write down every bite and sip you take for 1 week. Track your emotions while eating too. It's likely eye-opening. You may not think about the 2 creamers you add to your coffee and the calories that come with them. Who knew you were actually eating 3 servings of granola every morning? You'll see how nibbles add up and when you're turning to food to fix how you feel. Seeing what you're putting in and why allows you to assess what you want to change. Continuing to log your food keeps you accountable and helps make eating healthy a habit for life. 4. Eliminate added sugars. Jumpstart weight loss and healthy eating by cutting out added sugars. You know the usual suspects. Cakes, cookies, candy, ice cream. But the biggest culprit? Sweetened beverages. Sodas. Sports drinks. Flavored fruit drinks. Sweet tea. Pumpkin spiced coffee and its syrup-laden family of coffee drinks. Sugar is naturally in many foods, fruit and dairy, but those whole foods come packaged with nutrients too. Foods with added sugar, any ingredient ending in O's hiding out on food labels, are empty calories. They have no nutritional value and can pack on the pounds and lead to chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Make water your beverage of choice, plain, sparkling or dressed up with fruit slices or a splash of fruit juice. Choose the no sugar added versions of coffee and tea, too. I hope this video will helpful to you. If you have any questions, please, feel free to ask in the comment. Thanks.